Hello everyone, so I've been using the Xiaomi monitor light bar for a couple of weeks now, and now I'm able to share with you the great things about this monitor light bar. The build quality is great, the monitor mount is heavy, and it feels solid. It connects via USB to a power source, and it has rubber pads for grip and scratch protection. The light bar feels premium because it's made of metal while being light at the same time. I'm glad it has the logo at the end of each side of the light bar, making it hard to see, giving it a clean look. The wireless controller is made of good quality plastic, which also has some good grip to it. Setting it up is super easy. There is some adhesive plastic around the light bar mount that needs to be removed. Plug the USB-C cable to the mount and to a power source. Place the mount on the monitor. The light bar attaches magnetically to the mount and you're able to rotate it to your preferred position easily. Add two AAA batteries to the controller. Controlling the light bar is very intuitive. To turn it on and off, you just need to press on the controller once. The light brightness is changed by simply turning the controller left or right. To lower the brightness, turn left, and for brighter light, turn right. You can also change the light temperature by pressing down on the controller and turning at the same time. For cooler lighting, turn right, and warmer lighting, turn left. The light bar has 30 degrees of turning flexibility, allowing me to angle it at the perfect position. It is a huge space saver compared to traditional lamps, and for the price of the light bar, it is surprisingly very well made. The color is an added bonus for me since you might have already noticed I really like matte black devices. I honestly don't have anything bad to say about this bar light, and when you compare it to the BenQ Halo, the Halo has a few extra features. However, it's almost 3 times the price of the Xiaomi monitor light. If you enjoyed and found this content helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.